Hello friends, it's Minnie. If you are new here, hello. So, me and my husband have been working on making over our creative space. And we actually have this wall in our office that basically, it's a place where we put things down and they're just to be forgotten. It's a little spooky. Our vision for this wall is to actually add some storage, but first we wanted to paint a wall mural, which is a warped checkerboard arc. It's a lot to say. So basically, we've been inspired by all the checkerboard print we've been seeing lately. We think it's super cool and we wanted to incorporate it into our space. So if you want to learn how to make one for yourself, just keep watching. We'll teach you. Yes? We needed to decide on paint and color. We actually went in with an idea already, so we had some colors saved, and we wanted to pick a color that would complement our metal shelf that we have in the office, which is a very pretty cornflower blue. So we're trying to decide between these with this color. Oh man, I don't know. I kind of like this one. Green Lake, soft.
Yeah, go with it.
And it has like blue undertones, so it kind of looks really pretty with this.
Go for it.
So the arc checkers are gonna be this color. And this looks so pretty. It actually reminds me of the Animal Crossing Switch.
Everything is themed off of that Animal Crossing.
It really is. Today's the day. We are going to clear out this lovely area, finally, and we are going to trace the arc onto the wall. Let's get started. For the arc, we used the pencil string method. To outline the arc, we just attached a string to a nail in the center of the area where we want the arc to go. Then use that as a guide in creating the arc. Then we added painter's tape to the widest part of the circle all the way down to the floor. And I will leave a reference for you all down in the description just in case you need a little bit more guidance, because I know it sounds a little complicated. To start the wavy pattern, you are going to want to draw a wavy line down the center of your arc or wall. Then on either side of that line, you are going to want to draw 2 more wavy lines following the same path as the center. So you should end up with 3 wavy rows. Now draw 2 more wavy lines on those sides, followed by 2 more smaller ones. Now for the lines that go across, this is where the magic happens. Start wherever you like and start drawing wavy lines going across. Create them as close or as far apart as you like. The lines that go across start creating a really cool trippy wavy illusion. Also, just a little tip, when you're drawing your lines, you can use your pencil and draw them really lightly. In case you make a mistake, it's easier to clean up with just soap and water and a little rag. So here I want to keep in mind that I have an outlet in this square and I'd like to keep it white, so I'm going to draw little dots in the squares that are going to be painted green around it. Then I'm going to work my way up, and once it's done, it's time to paint. So we still need to go in and clean it up a bit, fix some of the lines, and update some of the white, but overall, we love it. Let us know what you think of the wall mural. We had so much fun creating it, and we hope you enjoyed watching our little checkerboard warped arc tutorial. But yeah, I hope this inspired you to try something new and be creative. Alrighty guys, thank you all for watching. All my hearts and stars, I will see you in the next video. Bye!